ball in the school.
Are you going to read him the book? You don't have, you're just supposed to shake him. You don't have to move his head, just shake his body. Like this. Look at his head.
Hey, big job, Eddie. Heat the ball. What's that? What's that, Daddy?
What's what?
Yeah.
That's his goatee.
What's that? What's that? What's that dressing for?
That's his uniform.
What's that? What's that?
That's corporate marketing.
Come on.
Show Daddy how the bobblehead works. How do you make the head bobble? Hmm.
He's ball. He's a ball. He's gonna hit the ball.
He hits the ball with the bat.
Yeah. Hit the ball. Oh, I missed ball. Oh no. Look at the ball. I'll buy some. I'll buy some.